The next one to complete is question 3b, and we've got 4x plus 1 all multiplied by x plus 3. So again, what we're going to do here is we're going to carry out our tip first of all, and let's basically change the first part of the first bracket into red and change the second part into some different colour. I'm using purple plus 1. So then we can visually see how we just take the first part of the first bracket, which is red 4x, and we're going to multiply that by all of the second bracket, which is x plus 3. And here then we grab the purple plus 1 and we multiply that by all of the second bracket. And this is of course referred to as splitting up the brackets. So what you're doing is you're multiplying first part of the first bracket by all of the second bracket and the second part of the first bracket by all of the second bracket. And by doing this, you are correctly multiplying everything in both brackets. So we just do our multiplication steps now, and we say 4x by x, and we get our 4x squared. 4x by 3, 4 by 2 is 12, so 4x by 3 gives us 12x. 1 by x gives us 1x, and 1 by 3 gives us 3. And the last thing to do to tidy up here is the 12x and the x. So that's 12 and 1 is 13, don't forget that. And that is question 1 part B, question 3 part B.